Alright YouTube, we're back with another video, and in this one we'll be doing a mid fade with the beard faded and lined up. So we're gonna start off by setting our bald guideline, and when you're making this guideline, just make sure the line fits your client's head. So in this case, we're doing a slight curve. We're just balding out. We're making sure we don't go too low because we still have to fade in that beard. Now with our shavers, we're just going to bald out that bottom line. This just gives the fade a cleaner look, and we're not going up all the way. We're leaving like a half an inch so we can fade it up later. Now with our trimmers, we're just going to flick out that line we made with our shavers. Our next guideline is going to be created by using the zero guard open. And as you can see, I'm leaving the line up part a little darker, so when we come through to line it up, it'll look a little sharper. So now we're just going to fade down, and we're just closing the lever little by little until we're completely closed. In my opinion, this technique is the easiest and most effective way to get rid of this first guideline. With our next guideline, we're going to be using the one guard open, and we're going up like an inch. Make sure you keep the guidelines consistent so it can make the fading process easier. Make sure you go over your guidelines several times so all the hairs are cut evenly. With our one guard closed, we're going to begin to fade out that line. So we're just flicking out. Make sure you don't flick out all the way to the line, because then you're just going to be creating another guideline. So now we're going to be using the zero guard close to get rid of that line completely. So we're just flicking out right before we get to the line, and this way we won't be creating another guideline. We're just going to be flicking out that line. Sometimes if you use the corners, it makes it easier and it gives you more control. final guideline is going to be done by using the 2-guard closed, and we're just going up again like an inch. With our 1-guard open, we're going to complete the fade by flicking into that 2-guard close. My client wants to grow out his top, so we're just going to clip her over comb so we can fade up to the length he has on top. So our beard's going to be similar to the fade. We're going to start off by using the 0-guard open, and we're going to create our first guideline. We're going to fade it out by using our fading down method, which in this case is fading up. So we're going to close the lever little by little and go a little higher. With our next guideline, we're going to be using the 1-guard open, and we're going to get rid of that guideline by closing the lever completely. Now with our 0-guard closed, we're just using the corners to do some detail work. Now to complete the fade, we're just going to be using the 1.5 guard, and we're just going against and with the grain just to make sure it fades into the length he already has. Now with the lineup, just keep it natural and try not to push them back. Yeah, I mean sometimes you have to push them back, but try to avoid it. So right here I'm applying some Easy Blade shaving gel. This is just going to make the straight razor glide easier. And this shaving gel and straight razor is probably my favorite ones right now. They're both by Easy Blade. So if you want to check them out, you want to check out any other tools I used in this video, I'll have a link to them in the description below. So this is my client when he came in, and this is how he's leaving. Alright YouTube, if you enjoyed the cut, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. PC YouTube, PC.